This is the Mul-T-Lock 7x7. This is one of two Mul-T-Locks that I have never picked. Well, if you don't count the lever lock, still looking for one of those. But I don't think this is pin and pin. I think it's just spooled driver pins. I'm assuming there's 7 of them. I didn't count the cuts on the key. So it's just driver pin, pick what binds, pick what gives you counter rotation, like that one. And that one. There we go. Well, that was fun, just like all these Mul-T-Locks. Nice falset because of the spool pins. This is a loaner from Nixxed, so I appreciate it very much. He also sent me the other Mul-T-Lock that I have never picked, which is the Classic Pro that I'll be trying to do next. I try to get this C-clip off of here. Struggle with these things worse than picking locks, I tell you what. I was getting it too. I think that took longer than picking the lock did. I don't know if you need to shim these, but it's a lone lock, so I'm going to be safe and just throw a shim in there. That one's too big. Yep, 7 pins. I guess what else would you expect from a 7x7? Torpedo pin on 4. I don't know if I've ever seen a Mul-T-Lock with a torpedo key pin in it. There's a plug. I don't know if these are all spools. 6 of them are anyway. Yeah, so the last one's a standard. I guess just for key reliability. I was going to leave those springs in there, but they're already starting to come out. All right, that is the Mul-T-Lock 7x7. Thank you, Nixxed. Very much appreciated.